Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingo Foodies. Today we'll be making some delicious cakes with 3 amazing flavors. The good thing is they are healthy, refined sugar free, gluten free, and we are gonna bake them without microwave or oven. So these cakes are mini, that means perfect portion for one person, and they are easy to make as well. So if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll make the oat flour for the cakes. In a blender or grinder, we'll add some oats and grind them into a fine powder. The oat flour is ready and now we'll start making the cakes. So the first one is chocolate. So in a small heat-proof bowl, we'll add a tablespoon of oil, 1.5 tablespoon honey. To make this recipe vegan, you can replace honey with pure maple syrup and we'll give it a good mix. Now we'll add 3 tablespoon oat flour, 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract or essence, 1 tablespoon milk. I am using soy milk. Feel free to add any milk of your choice. We'll mix it gently. And once it's well combined, we'll top it up with some dark chocolate chips. Now place the ramekin on a small baking tray and keep it aside. The next one is apple. In a small heat-proof bowl, we'll add 2 tablespoons grated apple, a tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon honey, and we'll mix it well. Now we'll add 4 tablespoon oat flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon milk, and we'll give it a gentle mix. Once it's well combined, we'll add some raisins. Feel free to replace them with golden raisins or dried berries. Place this bowl on a baking tray and set it aside. The last and the final one is banana. Into a bowl, we'll add 2 tablespoons mashed banana, 1 tablespoon oil, a tablespoon of honey, and we'll give it a good mix. Now we'll add 4 tablespoon oat flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now at this stage, make sure to preheat the kadhai on low heat for 10 minutes. And we'll continue adding the rest of the ingredients. In goes milk, and we'll give it a gentle mix until everything is well combined. We'll top it up with some finely chopped pistachios. Place this ramekin on a baking tray with rest of the bowls and let's bake them in the kadhai. So first we'll place a small stand in a kadhai. Now place the baking tray on top of it Place the ramekins and bake them for around 35 minutes on low heat. Make sure to check with a toothpick. If it doesn't come out clean, cook them for some more time. Now let them cool for a bit, and these healthy and yummy cakes are ready to enjoy. The best thing is, you don't need to make a big cake to curb your dessert cravings. These mini cakes make for a perfect portion for one person, and that too in 3 different flavors. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try this recipe and let me know which one is your favorite flavor. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.